What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing? So we are getting some boxes, some fun stuff. Got a couple things I'm gonna post up today. Gonna be posting some printer cartridges, and I'm gonna go get some packages for those right now. I'm in contact with a guy who's gonna help me out over the break with some things regarding selling on eBay, so I can get a little bit of help, so I can get that stuff fly through. And then my day ends at 4 o'clock. So yeah, pretty decent day. Got lunch with the girlfriend today. That was pretty good. But I am ready to get rid of stuff because I am in the hole right now and I basically need to sell stuff. So all my buying power is at zero. So we're gonna do our best to get some stuff sold soon, quick, so we can buy more and resell, because that's the name of the game. Who is more likely to take over? Would it be Amazon or Walmart? My buddy was asking me that question, and it's a really good point because both Walmart and Amazon are completely different, but also kind of the same. So they're the same in the fact that they totally go for low prices, but also they're very different in the fact that one has a store and one does not. Which one has a longer ability to last longer? And we made it to the storage stuff. So we are looking I'm looking to get like a big thing of it so I don't have to pay like 72 cents per one. Well, this is just simple math. 400 yards for $8.84, or 220 yards for $7.97. I think this one. All right, so boom, Walmart shopping finished. You know, in all honesty, I think that I would rather be going to like ordering it somewhere online than going to Walmart, just because I do think it is cheaper online. I really haven't run the numbers and figured it out, to be honest with you, because I normally try to reuse packages. I'm very into environmental, like just being aware of, you know, when you buy things, the packaging, just how much you buy, trying to recycle as much as possible. That's one kind of cornerstone of my whole company. Although sometimes, you know, you cave a little bit because you can't find any packages, which is where I'm at right now. Which really sucks because I had a whole bunch of packages and I lost them all. My friend ended up basically thinking I didn't need them anymore and took them all to the USPS office. So that was kind of a bummer, but I ended up getting these guys. I think it all ended up with being, I think it was like $28.09. Probably could have been better online. Who knows? I'll take what I can get as of right now. So I'm actually driving about 8 minutes to deliver the game to this guy. Normally, I do kind of like to have them come to you. It's just more efficient that way. You're minimizing gas costs. I'm already out here at Walmart, so I was like, might as well drop it off. 1,000. So I'm actually gonna drop off some clothes. I kind of have some stuff that I've been accumulating for a while. But in all honesty, I just don't want to spend the time posting. So I'm just like, okay, why don't I just drop them off at Plato's Closet, see what happens. So we got some pretty nice stuff. They actually give you a pretty good deal for it, better than what I thought. So this is all the clothes. We got Carhartt, NASA, nice little jacket, some jeans. Oh, I forget the name of it. It's Miss Me jeans. Those are popular. Some more Miss Me jeans. So I feel like I might actually get a good profit from it. I think they said their model, they give you like 40% of the profit, I think, which is pretty dang good, honestly, for doing nothing. All right, just dropped them off. 10 minutes, they said. There was like 5 clothes. It also looked like they're kind of going out of business. I'm not sure. I asked them if they're going out of business. They said no. They're having like a crazy clearance sale. Plus also like there was nothing in the store, and they've said they're gonna move for about like 3 months now, 4 months. So something tells me they're going out of business, even though they're not telling me. But who knows? Hopefully I can help them stay in business if I keep getting them clothes. That also means they'll probably buy my clothes for a really good deal because it looks like they really need clothes really bad. I'm not gonna lie to you, there's a Goodwill right across from there, and I have really thought about like, if I found some good clothes from Goodwill, brought them over there, and just seen how much money. You know what? I'm gonna actually do that. I'm gonna do that sometime, and I'm gonna record it because that would be hilarious. We're gonna hop into Goodwill here quick while we wait, and then let you know what we got. Boom! So, I've had a weird obsession with hats recently, so I ended up getting 2 hats, a Hard Rack Cafe. I've been really obsessed with these recently. It was $2. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know where that is, but I feel like it's somewhere cool. But this is my favorite part right here. Love all, serve all. I thought that was the coolest dang thing. I could not purchase it. $2 for this one. And then I was like, frick it, I might as well get another one. So I got also a white Adidas hat as well. So, but I justified it. I bought a good buy. So Monsters 4x4. Bought for $3. It sells for $10. So basically made my money back plus more if I sell it for $10. There we go. Let's just sell it for $10. All right, so I'm gonna head back to Plato's Closet and see basically how much money I made. I'm guessing for all of that, this is a random guess, guys. I have no freaking clue. Maybe like $25. $25 is what I'm saying. I'm thinking $25. No idea. Let's see. One thing sold. Only one thing sold. That blew my mind. It was just the jacket, and they gave me $16 for it. Of course, I had to go get myself a pants, because they gave me 25% off after I sold something to them. So of course I was gonna buy something. Got that for 25% off. Yeah, what the heck? I swear those pants, these right here, they said they're very popular. They just didn't sell. So I don't know what was going on there, but that was still a win with that jacket, because I bought that thing for $2. $16 out of $2. Actually, let me see. Was it 16 bucks? Yep. $16. Oh, I also just want to state the fact that I got these pants for free. American Eagle pants, probably originally about $60, $40. I got them for free plus profit. The reason I did that is because I bought a jacket for $2. I gave them the jacket. They gave me $16 for that jacket. I then got 25% off. And then I ended up paying for these for $10. And I made a $6 profit for shopping. That's how you shop the AJ way, baby.